Welcome back to Rider Fusion, your ultimate destination for everything on two wheels. Today, we have something truly exciting for you, the 2025 Yamaha Aerox 175. Yamaha has taken the game to the next level with this high-performance sporty scooter, and we're here to break down all the details. So, buckle up and get ready to witness the future of urban mobility. Design and styling. First things first, let's talk about design. The 2025 Yamaha Aerox 175 retains its aggressive and sporty DNA but comes with a refreshed look that screams performance. The sharp, aerodynamic front fascia is enhanced with full LED lighting, giving it a premium and futuristic appeal. The sculpted bodywork and muscular stance make it one of the most attractive scooters in its class. Engine and performance. Now, let's get into the heart of the beast, the all-new 175 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This powerhouse produces an impressive 18 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful scooters in the segment. Thanks to Yamaha's variable valve actuation, VVA, technology, the Aerox 175 delivers a smooth yet punchy performance across all RPM ranges. Whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the open roads, this scooter is built to perform. Technology and features. Yamaha has packed the Aerox 175 with cutting-edge technology. The fully digital instrument cluster now comes with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to sync their smartphones for notifications and turn-by-turn navigation. The Smart Key system adds a layer of convenience, while the USB charging port ensures you never run out of battery on the go. Oh, and did we mention the under-seat storage is now even bigger? Ride comfort and handling comfort is a big factor when choosing a scooter, and Yamaha has nailed it with the 2025 Aerox 175. The wide and well-cushioned seat offers great support for both the rider and passenger. The updated telescopic front forks and rear monoshock suspension provide a smooth ride, even on rough roads. Plus, with lighter alloy wheels and a well-balanced chassis, handling is precise and confidence-inspiring. Braking and safety. Yamaha knows that power is nothing without control. That's why the 2025 Aerox 175 is equipped with a front and rear disc brake system, backed by dual-channel ABS for maximum stopping power. The wide tubeless tires offer excellent grip, ensuring you stay in control even at high speeds. Safety has been a major focus, making this scooter not just fast but also secure. Fuel efficiency and practicality. Power and efficiency, that's the magic of the Aerox 175. Yamaha has managed to maintain a great fuel economy of around 40 to 45 km/L, thanks to its efficient fuel injection system. The 5.5-liter fuel tank ensures long rides without frequent refueling, making it a perfect companion for daily commutes and weekend adventures alike. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Yamaha Aerox 175, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Rider Fusion.